Hey there, thanks for joining me again. So in my last video, we had made this keychain and I do love it and I think it turned out pretty great. Let's see if I can focus on that there. However, the name in the middle is a little hard to read, the kid's name. So I am going to add some acrylic paint, some white acrylic paint to it. And we are going to fill in the gaps. So the first thing you want to do is take some of your masking and we are just going to cover up the areas that we are not wanting to paint. So obviously, like I said, I just want the name filled in. I do not want the other letters filled in. So I'm just going to tape that off just so nothing gets in the cracks because we are working with just a small space here. Actually, I'm gonna go grab a scissors so it's a little easier. Okay, so I did grab a scissors so I can tape it off, and I turned on my lights so I can see. So now I can tape kind of in a straight line to make sure that nothing else gets painted on. So you want to seal that down real tight. And then same with the bottom. And I will show you what that looks like here in a moment. There we go. So now you can only see, well, it's hard to see, that's why I'm covering the paint. But the name is only showing right there. You can get a little glare of it. So we want to take a Q-tip and some acrylic paint. And I can link exactly what acrylic I got in the description below, and as well as the acrylic paint, because I know they are all created a little bit different. So we are just going to take our Q-tip here and just kind of paint it in and fill in the gaps. And it's best to kind of dab. Dab it in and make sure you get it all in the cracks. Okay, and now of course you're gonna have some of that extra paint. Oh, you know what? We are actually gonna leave that on. Don't take your tape off yet. Don't do what I did. Put your tape back on, if you took it off. And we're gonna wipe that extra paint off of there with a rag before I take the tape off. And you obviously want to do this before it dries. Once it dries, it's a little harder to work with. There we go. Now you can take your tape off. And there is a little extra on the sides. We are just going to give it a clean finish here. There we go. There we go. That looks a lot better, and you can read the name better. Super cute. I love it. The back camera is not always the front camera is not always the best, so I figured show you guys with the back camera.